So hierarchical inheritance is one more category of your inheritance where we can derive more than one child class from a single parent class. You can imagine this as an opposite of multiple inheritance, because in multiple we have seen we have more than one parent classes, there is only one child class. But here we see there are more than one child classes and there is a single parent class. So the syntax is like we defined one base class, and this is the first derived class which is derived from this base class, and this is the another derived class derived from the same base class. So here we can imagine we have one base class and from where two child classes have been derived. Now, because we have one base class, so whatever members we have in the base class, they will be available to your child class 1, I mean derived class 1, and also to derived class 2 here. Now, let's say we took an example like class parent having a method, let's say greet, and here I'm defining child 1 and the corresponding base class is the parent. Similarly, we are defining one more child class, say child 2. Its base class is also the same parent. So this is the base class from where we have derived child 1 as well as child 2. Now I have not put any content here, making it empty classes. And as we understand, this child 1, child 2 both are the derived classes of this parent. Hence, this method greet is available in the child 1 as well as in the child 2. So now when we are creating the object of child 1 class, let's say C1, and with the help of C1, I can invoke the greet method, which is actually part of the parent class. Similarly, here we created the object of child 2 class, that is C2, and using this C2, we have called the same greet method of your parent class. So as a result of these two calls, I mean greet we have called with child class object 1 and child class object 2, we will be able to invoke this greet method 2 times. Hence we get the output like hello from parent twice. So here we see the parent is the one class we have defined, and child 1, child 2, these are the two child classes of this parent. And after creating the objects of child 1 and child 2, we are invoking the greet method, which originally belongs to the parent class. And when I execute this, we are getting this hello from parent twice, because we called greet method once with the object of child class 1 and the other time with the child class object